So the front bar of the car is painted and ready to get put together. Now, the driving lights that we have for it are the standard ones for now. Later on we'll probably upgrade them to LED ones, but right now we're actually missing one. I have no idea where I've put it, but it can be put in later on when it gets on the car, so we're going to put it together with what we have now. Have a look at the front camera and the grille that we want to do down the bottom. The grille that we got that doesn't fit, maybe, I don't know, we'll have a look, see what we can do. We'll get it together as far as what we got, and try to get on the car today. The top piece of the grille, which is this bit up here, we're going to do something a bit different with that. So we're still chasing up on that one. But again, it can be something that can be done when it's on the car, but obviously it needs to be on there for the roadworthy. So we'll start shaping it together.
That's so disgusting! We'll be fine, let's party! Say about that. Very guilty. I'm the devil, biatch. Just kidding, my new catchphrase is, I don't give a
So, installation of the front bar. We have put it all together. We found the other light. It's tucked in there, as we have both in here now. They're both complete at this stage. Now, this aftermarket grill that we bought obviously didn't fit, but we put these extensions on here. Put a little bolt in on either end, which we'll put a bit of glue on there so that just doesn't float off. And then from the front, we've got the camera in there as well for the other part of the 360-degree system. From the front, it actually looks real deep, so hopefully it should fit on there, and then we're about to find out. And we'll go for a bit of an interesting look in the car. Stick it on, see how we go. Okay, so it turns out it does hit in these top corners here, both sides. Pushes in most of the way, but it gets to about here, and then this is stopping it. So we've got a bit of room to play here, so we're gonna take from about here, take out this whole corner through here, which will give us some breathing room in there, and hopefully try to keep the structure of it together. We'll sort of just shave this bit out in here, and you can see where it's been hitting here, and do the same on both sides, and it's probably going to have to come on and off a couple of times, and then we'll see where it fits. 4 or 5 goes, you cut and get the bits off in there. But really the only biggest thing that we'll have a look at later is this gap in here. It's clicking quite right, or it's just dropped a bit, you know, being that everything's plastic and metal, and this car has been in a situation before. It's who knows. But look, this is a different bar to what was on the car too, so we are yet to make the piece that fits in here, so I'm going to keep that as open as possible. We'll paint this black, blend it in, we'll have a look at that. And otherwise it looks pretty good. We also put the side skirts on as we were going, so they're all buttoned up now. We are going badgeless on this car, so there's going to be no badges at this stage anywhere on the car. Pretty sure everybody can tell what it is, but I like to keep that badgeless look for this one. Hey everybody, so on the back end of the XR6, like typical, the stuff we lose we find straight after we put it in the car with the replacements that we got. So straight after we put the bar in the car, I found the other light which is in better condition than the one we have. So we're going to swap that out. So today is going to be about swapping out that front light, changing out the airbag as well. We're going to get in and start tidying up the last little bits and pieces. And the driver's mirror, the whole assembly is going to have to get changed. We've got another one of them, but we're going to have to take this backing off, drill all the 3D, the 360 camera system into it. So that's a whole another pain in the butt again, because we can't replace the glass assembly the way it's designed to get it out. It destroys it. I haven't found any videos anywhere or any information yet on how to just replace the glass without damaging the mechanism. It looks like you can change the glass itself. It will pop out, there's holes in behind it, take the whole assemblies out, all that sort of stuff, but there's no thing that I've seen to get it out without destroying it, so you can just put a new one in. So we're going to go with what we've got. We'll get stuck in this, change this light, we'll get onto that mirror, then we're going to airbag, and then check out what we got, and then on the home stretch. So may even be done yet.